Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. We are still on the political crisis in Rivers State, a development in which some lawmakers in quote, who are loyal to former governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, and now Minister of FCT, planning to impeach the governor with the support of the All Progressive Congress chairman in the state. But one of the critical voices in Rivers State, and Kio-Briggs, has warned and said that no ethnic group is more River State than the other. Now, that her message in a statement she issued is well coded. In other words, ethnicity, no ethnic group is more important than the other in Rivers State. And she goes on to say that the politics of Rivers State is politics of Upland and Riverine. This is one of the sentiments, according to her, behind the choice of the former governor of Rivers State and now Minister of FCT, Nyesom Wike, in choosing Simi Fubara to take over from him. Now, she went on to say that Rivers State is about the people of Rivers State and not any individual or groups of individuals. She said that Rivers State is a state of ethnic nationalities that will and should continue to live together in peace and equality to bring development, equity, and security. No ethnic nationality is more Rivers State than the other. Now, what she is saying invariably is that the ethnic origin of Fubara is not inferior to the ethnic origin of Nyesom Wike and others who have governed Rivers State. Since 1999, there are the people that have governed Rivers State include Dr. Peter Odele. He was the first. Then Rotimi Chibika Amechi, after Odele, Nyesom Wike. Now, before even Rotimi Chibika Amechi, for a brief period, Omeha was governor, but Supreme Court removed him. Then Chibika Rotimi Amechi. After Rotimi Amechi, you get Nyesom Wike. Now, all these people are the Upland. So, since the return to civilian democracy or to democracy in 1999, only the people of Upland have been ruling Rivers State. And many of them, all of them, are described to be of Igbo extraction, even though Nyesom Wike claimed that he's not Igbo. When they take stock of the ethnicity that have ruled Rivers State by people like Asare Dokubo, who should know better, he classified Nyesom Wike among the Igbos that have ruled Rivers State. I don't have to bring his video and show you here, but you can, if you follow Asare Dokubo, he has several videos where he has made it clear that Nyesom Wike is Igbo. He put Nyesom Wike, Amechi, and Odele among the Igbos that have governed River State since 1999. And Fubara is the first person from the Riverine. The Riverine. This is the first time a Riverine person is becoming the governor of River State since 1999. So the woman didn't go, this Anne and Kio-Briggs didn't go to give detail, but that her statement is well coded. Is well coded, even though she appreciated the fact that the support for Fubara against those who want to impeach him is statewide. All ethnicities are behind Fubara. But she had to make hint of that, because if you impeach Fubara, the person that will take over, who is the person? It means an Upland person will come and take over. Because right now, the deputy governor is Professor Ngozi from Upland. If you remove Fubara, unless you are going to impeach two of them, and then you bring somebody from Riverine, of course it's not going to work, because already, even in her statement, Briggs also said she's with the governor, that in the governor's position, that the lawmakers, the APC lawmakers who defected, are no longer lawmakers, that they are a bunch of illegal lawmakers. So they don't represent anybody. They have no powers to even sit and begin to consider impeachment. She said it very clear in that statement that Anne Kio-Briggs issued. She said she was on the side of Fubara, who said that he does not recognize them as lawmakers of the state. You know, Fubara made a statement that rattled Nyesom Wike and his group of lawmakers in the state when Bayelsa elders, traditional rulers, and leaders, including the former governor Siriake Dixon, paid a visit to Fubara. It was when Fubara was talking that day where he made it clear that these lawmakers they are functioning because out of his own benevolence, because he knows that they are an illegality, that they are still operating because he respects the 8-point resolution that was signed or brokered by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. No, he was very emphatic on that. But that statement incensed Nyesom Wike and the lawmakers who defected from PDP to APC. And they begin to talk about impeachment of the governor. Of course, they have been doing a lot of things to show that they are rebellious. You can see how they pass a law. They pass a law extending the tenure of local government chairmen and all that. So Anne Briggs said she was with the governor on that. But the issue that what I'm saying, that this power tussle by Nyesom Wike is going to create ethnic tension too, among other things that it could cause in River State. But like Briggs said, the whole of River State across board are with Fubara. But the truth of the matter remains that if for any reason you are impeaching Fubara, it means you are upturning the arrangement, the marginalization that the Riverine they are feeling since 1999. It will become obvious, and the first time a Riverine person is becoming governor, he is now being impeached. an Upland person will now take over. How does it look? How do you think that will sound? That's why it doesn't make any sense for anybody to think about impeachment of Fubara. Fubara is having the support, and you can see that the visit of the Bayelsa elders, led by the former governor of Bayelsa State, was to solidarize as fellow Ijaws with Fubara. And anything you do against Fubara will be interpreted from that perspective. And look at what Briggs is saying. He said River State politics is divided into two parts. It's largely the sentiment of Upland and Riverine. And I told you, since 1999, the Upland people have been having the upper hand. This is the first time somebody from the Riverine is becoming governor. So if the Upland people have done altogether, because Nyesom Wike did 8 years, Amechi did 8 years, that's 16 years. Peter did this 8 years, that's 24 years, Upland people. Now this is the first time somebody from the Riverine is becoming governor, and you want to impeach him. And the only person that will step in if he is impeached is from Upland. And you think there will be no ethnic reading to it. No matter how hard that Nyesom Wike and co will try to convince anybody, nobody will, that is reasonable, who will not read ethnic dimension to anything happening to Fubara if he is removed from office, which is not likely, because the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is very clear on section 109. It's very clear. 109G, 109(1)G. What happens to you when you defect from one party to another? It's very clear. The Supreme Court has ruled on it. So it is very clear the position of these lawmakers, even as we wait for what the court will eventually say. But the court cannot say anything different from what the Supreme Court had already made, giving judgment on it. That when you defect without the party you belong to having any crisis or division, you lose your seat. It is very clear. It's written in clear and simple English. You can go and read it. Section 109(1)G of the 1999 Constitution. Very clear. If you read it word for word, you see that these lawmakers have no space. They don't even have the right to gather, not to talk of even impeaching anybody. But it is also important that people pay attention to the ethnic dimension to this power tussle for the governorship position. The power tussle to either remove Fubara or to allow him to stay. But from the sentiment I have seen, most River State people that I have listened to, most of their leaders, I have never seen any reasonable leader in River State that said that Fubara should be impeached. So that Fubara is on the driving seat, to be frank. But nobody should discountenance the ethnic dimension that this matter of impeachment has brought up in River State. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.